Hey you guys, so last video we mentioned that Adam, sitting here on the ATV, offers to our out-of-state, out-of-the-area customers diagnostic services for their Chinese ATVs, mopeds, scooters, go-karts, dune buggies, for a fee of course. As well as locally here in the Reno, Nevada area, he will be offering mobile service and repair. He will focus only on Chinese ATVs, scooters, mopeds, and go-karts. And his shop is called, mobile service is called MacGyver's Shop, correct?
Correct.
What would you like to share to our out-of-state and out-of-the-area customers regarding your consulting services?
So basically, consulting services is over the phone. You pay a fee. I'll either do a video chat with you or listen to your vehicle over the phone so we can figure out what's going on as a diagnostic. And then once we figure it out, that'll be the end of that. And then if it ever breaks down, then you gotta pay another fee after that. For the Reno local people of Reno and Sparks, I'm just doing a full mobile service. I have parts, I have tools, I have so much stuff to offer you guys. I do diagnostic repairs, servicing on all Chinese vehicles in general. And I also wanted to say is I am down the line in the future gonna start doing electric scooter tire repair, so you guys don't have to call around and ask.
Okay, well, fantastic.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'm hoping to hear from you over the phone. We'll link the description to my Facebook page and YouTube channel and Instagram, and also the phone number to call, which is on the Facebook page itself. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.